My name is Greg Gillis-Smith, and I'm a teacher in high school at Oaks Christian School down in Southern California, and I just completed the 5-day course in Switch Labs to build this car. Learning a lot in the mornings, theory of battery motor operation, EV vehicles and things, and then every afternoon we would spend building, and so we were able to experience it hands-on and know what we were. So I like the curriculum opportunities here and the hands-on. So it's really motivational, it's relevant to today's kids, so I'm excited to implement this program at our school.
Dylan from Saddleback College in Mission Viejo. Invaluable. The last week it went so fast, but there's so much to learn, and if you want to progress your students or encourage your students what's going to be out there in the next 10 to 15 years, you've got to come and do this class.
So actually it turned out that the class was much better than at least we had anticipated. We've seen 3 or 4 different uses that we can use the chassis for. Alignment chop, brakes alignment suspension, computer controls. We can do a lot of things with that one platform. So we're enthused.
My name is David Ballantyne. I'm the CTE instructor for Anderson Valley Junior Senior High School in Boonville. We've just completed a week actually building the car. So we would spend the first part of the day, the morning hours, in the classroom. Then in the afternoon we would come out and execute the lessons we learned in the classroom. As a result, we built a lot of electrical components, put them together, and we are now on Friday testing the vehicle. Of course, there were a few problems, and so we learned how to diagnose and fix the problems. And we've just had a wonderful time with Peter Oliver, the owner, and his amazing staff here at Switch Vehicles. Learned a lot.